I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to take you on a walking beach tour of Brazil. When you're ready for a break, there are plenty of cafes and restaurants to choose from. Our next stop is the laid-back Praia do Rosa Beach in Santa Catarina. This is a more secluded and less touristy spot, but it's definitely worth a visit. The beach is surrounded by lush green hills, and it's the perfect place to relax and unwind. You can take a long walk along the shore, watch the surfers, or even take a yoga class. Finally, we have the vibrant Praia do Futuro Beach in Fortaleza. This is a popular spot among the locals, and it's known for its lively atmosphere and beach bars. You can sip on a refreshing drink while soaking up the sun, or even take part in some beach volleyball or soccer games. In conclusion, Brazil has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and this walking tour is just a small taste of what this country has to offer. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button and write a comment below to let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content like this.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.